Globes and maps. Globes. A globe is a model of Earth. It shows the distribution of water and land of Earth and the correct shape and location of continents and oceans. A globe is mounted on an axle so that it can spin just like the Earth spins on its axis. While globes are models of Earth, they also have some disadvantages. We can see only one side of the globe at a time. A globe does not show us the details of small towns and cities. Bigger globes are much more detailed than smaller ones, but they are big and bulky and hence difficulty to carry. Maps. A map is drawing on Earth's surface or a part of its on flat surface. Maps are useful when we want to study only a part of Earth or a specific country. Maps are detailed and help us study smaller areas better. They are world map as well as maps that shows an entire continent, a country, a state, a city, a town, or even smaller areas. Axle, the point around which globe rotates. Facts quest. The art of drawing maps is known as cartography. A person who draws map is known as a cartographer. Do it yourselves. Read the instruction and draw the route that Magellan and his crew would have taken while circumnavigating the world. Magellan and his crew set sail from Spain and traveled south across the Atlantic along the coast of South America to reach the present Strait of Magellan. Then they sailed north and crossed the Pacific Ocean to reach the Philippines. From here they traveled along the coast of Africa, across the Indian Ocean. They headed north and finally reached Spain in 1522. Type of maps. Maps are primarily of three kinds. Physical maps shows the natural features of Earth such as mountains, plains, rivers and oceans. Political maps show cities, towns, villages and different countries and states with their boundaries. Thematic maps provide specific information such as rainfall, natural vegetation, industries and minerals.
Components of map. Some of the components of a map are scale, directions, signs, symbols and colors. Scale. A scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. It helps us calculate the distance between any two places on a map. If the scale of map is 1 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer, it means that 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. Therefore, if the distance between two cities on a map is 10 centimeter, then the distance between them on the ground will be 10 kilometer. Directions. Directions are an important part of a map. Most maps have an arrow marked with the letter N in the upper right hand corner indicating the northern direction. This is called the north line and helps in finding the directions easily. The four directions north, south, east, west are called cardinal directions. There are four sub-directions: northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. They help us locate a place more accurately. Signs and symbols. Signs and symbols are used on maps to show different places or features of a region. Symbols are small pictures that represent different features on a map. They are often drawn to look like what they represent. For example, a triangular shape is often used to denote a mountain. A legend or a key lists the symbols used within the map and what they stand for. Colors. Generally, all maps use a standard color scheme to depict various landforms and altitudes in maps. For example, water bodies are depicted using blue color. Similarly, brown is used to show hilly or mountainous regions. Recall and learning. Maps. Components of maps, scale, directions, signs and symbols, colors. Physical maps, political maps, thematic maps. Workout.